Ever feel like your bank account is a one-way street? Money goes in, but getting it out can be a frustrating maze of fees and limitations. Especially with online banks, where the physical branch experience is non-existent. So, if you're considering EQ Bank, a popular online option in Canada, you might be wondering, can you actually withdraw your cash? The short answer? Absolutely. But as with most things in life, there's more to the story. Let's dive into the 3 ways you can get your hands on your hard-earned money with EQ Bank and explore the pros and cons of each method. Method number 1, the ATM Avengers conquering cash with the EQ Bank card. EQ Bank offers a debit card, creatively named the EQ Bank card, that acts as your key to the ATM kingdom. Now, here's the best part, EQ Bank itself doesn't charge any fees for withdrawals at ATMs in Canada. That's right, no sneaky account maintenance minimums or hidden transaction charges to suck the joy out of your savings. But wait, there's more. Isn't that what all the good commercials say? Even if the ATM itself charges a fee, EQ Bank will reimburse you within 10 business days. So, you can walk up to any ATM in Canada, get your cash, and EQ Bank will basically say, "Don't worry about that fee, it's on us." Pretty sweet, right? Here's a quick caveat, though. While EQ Bank is a superhero when it comes to Canadian ATM fees, they can't control the villains lurking outside the country. If you're using your EQ Bank card abroad, any fees charged by the ATM operator are yours to shoulder. Method number 2, Interac e-transfers the speedy send. Maybe you need your money faster than an ATM withdrawal. Well, EQ Bank has you covered with Interac e-transfer. This nifty system lets you electronically send money directly from your EQ Bank account to another Canadian bank account. There are 2 big advantages to this method. First, it's instant. No waiting 2 to 3 business days for the funds to clear. Second, it's free. EQ Bank doesn't charge any fees for Interac e-transfer withdrawals, making it a perfect option for those times when you need immediate access to your cash. Now, there's a small catch. While you can send an Interac e-transfer to anyone, to withdraw money using this method, you'll need to have another bank account set up to receive the transfer. So, it's not the most convenient option if you're solely reliant on EQ Bank. Method number 3, Electronic Funds Transfer, EFT, the Transfer Titan. The last method in our EQ Bank withdrawal arsenal is the Electronic Funds Transfer, or EFT for short. This option allows you to transfer funds directly from your EQ Bank account to another bank account. Think of it as the more formal older sibling of the Interac e-transfer. While EFTs aren't as flashy as instant transfers, they do offer some advantages. For one, there are typically no limits on the amount you can transfer using EFT, unlike Interac e-transfer, which has daily and monthly limits. Additionally, EFTs can be used to transfer funds to accounts outside of Canada, which isn't possible with Interac e-transfer. However, EFTs come with a bit of a wait time. It usually takes 2 to 3 business days for the transfer to be completed. So, if you need money right away, this might not be the best option. There's also the possibility that your receiving bank might charge a fee for the incoming transfer, so be sure to check with them beforehand. So, which withdrawal method should you choose? The best method for you really depends on your needs. If you prioritize speed and convenience, the Interac e-transfer is a great choice. For larger transfers or international needs, the EFT might be the way to go. And if you value free ATM withdrawals within Canada, the EQ Bank card is your champion. Ultimately, EQ Bank empowers you with multiple ways to access your cash, giving you the flexibility to choose the method that best suits your situation. No more feeling trapped in a one-way financial loop. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.